Good morning. It is a beautiful day here in North Carolina, and that right there is sunrise, and that right there is fog. So hopefully this morning I'll be able to photograph something in the fog. So come along and enjoy this adventure. Well, where I live in North Carolina is the Piedmont. This is the center of the state. Actually, I live in the center northern part of the state. So to the east is the ocean, and fog is incredible in the ocean. If I go to the west, I have the mountains, and fog will be incredible in the mountains. Here in the Piedmont, fog is a white wall in your image. It is a very difficult element to take photos of. This area just doesn't lend itself to, you don't get above it, you don't get below it. Everything is flat and level. It's not great element. So today I'm going to be focusing on taking small pictures, interesting pictures, where the fog or the light is implied by the image itself and not a main element in the photo. I'm kind of really excited about being out here. I got to go fast. I got to hurry because this fog is not going to stick around. That sun's going to rise, and within an hour, this fog's going to be gone. So what I'm looking for is, what has this fog affected? Has the dewdrops landed interestingly on something interesting? Is it something? It's going to be a tiny ingredient in my photos and not a main element. So now I just got to find something interesting to photograph. Okay, so if you can see behind me, this is my image. I got soybean in the foreground. I got the fog between me and another field that's full of bales of hay. And in between us all is a road, which I have to photograph there. As I'm speaking to you, I smell a skunk. This time of year, the male skunks are out looking for their own territory, and they really have this strong, musty smell. So on top of everything else, I'm looking for that skunk because I really don't want to surprise it. And one of the reasons why I'm talking kind of loud is because I don't want that skunk to come near me. So the idea behind this image is I am going to photo stack it. I'm taking an image of the soybeans. There's a tree down here that I'm taking a picture of, and then the field itself I'm taking a picture of. And there's my skunk right there. But anyways, he's walking away. Good. But the whole idea is I'm going to photo stack this image, 3 images, the soybeans, the tree, and that field back there. This fog, I'm hoping will have an element. A few things I have to watch out for. There's a road between me and that hayfield out there, so I have to shoot when there's no cars behind it. Thank God there's not a lot of traffic on that road. The other thing too is I'm taking a couple of images because the fog is moving through. It's coming through towards me, so I may be able to get a little bit different image with each one. And the great thing about photo stacking is that you can take certain images that are better for yours, that's whatever you're focused on, and better images for the other part that's focused on. So it can be an interesting, creative element in photography. So if this image is any good, here it is. What I got here to photograph is a cobweb. My fog is almost completely burned off. If I stand here, it's almost completely gone. It's only lasted about 20 minutes. And I got some of the moisture that's connected with this cobweb. It makes an interesting photograph. It's really artsy-fartsy. It's the kind of photo that if you're entering it into a really artsy kind of photo contest, it could definitely win. But it's not at all commercially viable. It is not something that, I keep looking for that skunk. It's not something that you could definitely make money selling. But it really appeals to me here in North Carolina. I see this a lot, especially in the fall. And it's something that I always say, I gotta find that perfect image to photograph. I got a little bit of light coming in from behind the cobweb. It's making the cobweb and that moisture just glow. I'm shooting at ISO 100, f4. I'm getting 1/40th of a second. So if these images are any good, here they are. I kind of done this video, so it's like a 15-20 minute video. I literally shot all these photos and this video in about 15-20 minutes. It was really hard, but I wanted to show you that you could literally run out on your way to work, take a risk, be 15 minutes late to work, and take some of these fog photos. It's something that you can expand your horizons, be an interesting photographer, do something that's outside of your normal comfort zone. I had a boss that used to get really mad at me when I would say, but there was fog. And he would say, no, that doesn't make any difference to me. But anyways, I hope you got something out of it. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe to this channel because that really helps us in the YouTube world. Become a Patreon supporter. Your support allows us to keep doing this. My name is Sean Leahy, and thank you for watching.